Spartans! My name is Casandra.
My name is Alondra.
And this is episode 16 of the Spartan Times.
This episode is going to be a little different. We're going to be stepping out of the studio and recording around the school, starting off in our AV production classroom.
Well, Spartans, finals week is finally over and spring break is about to begin. And I already know how I'm going to be spending it.
How?
By rewatching Courage the Cowardly Dog. That's one of my favorite cartoons when I was a little kid.
Oh, really? That reminds me of when I was little. Well, Alyssa went around the school and asked you guys what your favorite cartoons were back in the day.
Let's take a look.
Alright, my name is Ali Jimenez, and my favorite TV show is Regular Show by far. It's the best show. They do all the crazy stuff. They went to space at one point, and that show was crazy.
You can start by... Are those ducks karate chopping each other? No. I'm sorry, we can't take violent animals.
Aw, what? They're not violent.
Yeah, man, they were just playing around.
Humberto, they call me Pele, and my favorite TV show is all-time SpongeBob. My favorite characters, all my three characters, the perfect duo trio is Squidward, Patrick, and SpongeBob.
Wait, look! It's Widward!
What's that supposed to be? Some kind of stupid secret code?
We can't tell you because you're not a member of the club.
So my name's Emilio, and my favorite cartoon, I think it was Chavo del Ocho, just because that's what my grandma always had playing on the TV.
Hello, my name is Jordan Wilson. My favorite cartoon was the Avatar, The Last Airbender.
Water, earth, fire, air. Long ago, the four nations lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Only the Avatar, master of all four elements, could stop them. But when the world needed him most, he vanished.
I'm Jimena Moreno, and my favorite childhood TV show would probably be Sesame Street because, I don't know, it feels like a classic.
Oh, hi, Chucky Sue. Oh, she's so cute. Such a cute hamster.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, say hi to Rocco, Elmo. Hello, Rocco.
My name is Marissa Medina, and my favorite childhood TV show is Adventure Time.
You don't like that? Or do you just not like me? Sorry, I don't treat you like a goddess. Is that what you want me to do? Sorry, I don't treat you like you're perfect, like all your little loyal subjects do. Sorry, I'm not made of sugar. Am I not sweet enough for you? Is that why you always avoid me? That must be such an inconvenience to you. Well, I'm just your...
You went away.
Wow, those shows brought back some good childhood memories.
Yeah, but not all of us are going to be watching cartoons. Some of us are going to spend time with our friends.
Next up, we have Nick to show us why some of his friends started skating, as well as a creative music video.
Hey Spartans, as skating has started to become a trend, more and more people are trying to start to skate. I went to the skate park and interviewed some skaters on why they started skating. Here are the results I got.
When I first started skating during quarantine, video games got pretty boring, and a couple of my friends started skating, so I wanted to try it out, and I fell in love with the hobby.
I started skating because my friend got me into it, and I thought it was pretty cool, so we just started doing it together.
I started skating because I saw it on YouTube and got pretty into it, honestly.
Like my friends invited me to the skate park, and like I didn't really think it was like this whole new world. And like ever since I came here, I just haven't stopped. It's already been a year.
As you can see, Spartans, most of the skaters started skating because of their friends. That really does show how much of an influence your friends have on you. That'll be it for me. Have a good day, Spartans.
Thanks, Nick, for those cool videos. Now I feel inspired to try something different. Lastly, we have a video made by the AV production crew on self-awareness.
Well, that's it for this episode, Spartans. I hope you all have a nice spring break, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
That was good. Mr. Munguia, wake up!
Have you ever felt out of place or lost the ability to think straight? It's important to be self-aware and be able to understand our own emotions effectively. Although things may not always be your way, we need to learn how to control our emotions and behavior.
Ways I self-reflect is working out at least once daily, reading books, and taking naps.
Ways that I self-reflect is by taking naps and color.
Where I learned to reflect would probably be at the skate park, which is my safe spot.
Things I've been doing to become more self-aware is reading and meditating.
Becoming more self-aware, at the end of the day, I look back at my actions that I did throughout the day, and I think what I did right, what I did wrong, and what I can do to change. And that's really mostly about what I think self-aware is I take the time to reflect, write it down, try and figure out what I can do better the next day, and ultimately, just become a better person.
To become more self-aware, first I would go to a place where I feel comfortable, and then after that I would just sit there and assess the situation of whatever's happening. I would think of every possible outcome and just try to think of what I could do best.
It's also significant to maintain self-guidance.
Ways I self-manage, I like to jot down my thoughts and talk to my dogs about my feelings.
Ways that I self-manage is by keeping a healthy diet and sleeping schedule.
Ways that I've learned how to self-manage myself is by keeping my negative emotions in check.
I've learned to self-guide myself by listening to music, and it helps me empty out my thoughts.
Maintaining self-guidance, I write things down, the emotions that I'm feeling. If I get angry or frustrated, I back up away from the situation, try to take a breather.
To get self-guidance, I would put myself in the other person's place and think of how they would feel in the situation and how it would affect everybody, and just try to think of the best outcome of what I could do.
Through self-awareness and self-management, we become more positive in our lives. The only way we can achieve this is by working at it, by doing better, and by not giving up.